Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to build a client-focused business. So, we will dive deep into the strategies to create a client funnel that pre-qualified leads, streamlined the sales process, and made it incredibly easy for my team to close deals. So, let us start by talking about the importance of packaging your services in a way that provides potential clients with all the information they need. I found that having a clear, detailed package with testimonials and facts significantly increases the chances of converting a lead into a paying client. But that's just the beginning. To ensure that no leads fall through the cracks and every potential client gets the attention they deserve, it is crucial to have a well-structured sales pipeline in place. Now, if you're thinking, I won't forget to follow up with leads, trust me. When you have a lot of leads coming in, it is easy to lose track. That is where a sales pipeline comes in handy, and I recommend everyone have one in place. In a nutshell, a sales pipeline maps out the stages of the sale, from lead generation to closing the deal. It ensures that you never miss an opportunity, and with the right tools like Pipedrive or even post-it notes on a wall, you can keep everything organized. But having a well-structured sales process isn't enough. The way you perform on sales calls is equally critical. Instead of winging it, consider following a script or a structured flow during your calls to ensure you are in control and efficient. One valuable approach is to ask three fundamental questions. Why this? Why now? Why me? Or us? It is amazing how quickly potential clients can talk themselves into or out of a deal, especially if they have already gone through your well-crafted funnel. Now, let us move on to the final pillar, delivery. It isn't just about delivering excellent work, it is about creating a seamless client experience. Delight your clients with outstanding communication, small gestures, and exceptional service beyond just design. And remember, documentation is key. Ensure that every step of your processes is well documented, from proposals to client onboarding, so that your team can smoothly take over tasks when needed. Lastly, let us talk about a smart way to share tasks with your team. Responsible delegation. A great book called Run Like Clockwork by Michael Wixie and Adrian Dorison introduces a helpful idea that IPO framework. IPO stands for Information, Permission, and Outcome. And it is a simple way to make delegation more effective. First, information means making sure your team knows everything they need to do the task. Give them all the details and resources they need to succeed. Second, permission is about letting your team take charge of the task. Trust them to make decisions and do the work within the guidelines you set. Lastly, outcome means being clear about what you expect as the result of the task. When your team knows the goal, they can work towards it effectively. Using the IPO framework can make delegation easier and help your team work more independently. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Prioritizing profit and building a financial cushion is essential. Don't overspend on courses, coaches, or shiny strategies. Trust in your ability to figure things out and overcome challenges. And here is a major don't. Avoid spending excessively on coaches and consultants chasing quick fixes. Instead, focus on continuous improvement and invest strategically in your growth. And that's a wrap, everyone. This innovative approach is changing the way we view our client interactions. If you haven't had the chance to explore our other videos on this topic, I highly recommend checking out our dedicated playlist. Moreover, if you found this video informative and are eager for more business insights, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel going and enables us to continue sharing valuable content. We look forward to connecting with you in our upcoming video. Thank you for tuning in.